Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing of a StitchFix box. I used to use this styling service a long time ago when they first started, and I wanted to see if they upped their game because I didn't really like the items, to be honest. So I want to see if they did something new. So of course they give you a return bag to return the things you don't want to keep. And there's this letter they sent me. I think it tells you what's in it, so I'm not gonna open it. Um, okay, so it's looks like this, and I have 3 days to decide what to keep and what not to. So I'm just gonna go in order. The first thing I see is this. These are what? Oh, it's a jacket. It's like a cargo jacket in dark gray. Ooh, this is nice. Can you see that? That's really nice. It has a hood and everything. Can you see it? I like the material. It seems like very waterproof or something. This, I got it in extra small. Don't know how much it is yet. I guess I'll tell you the prices after. So this is the first item, a jacket. Next item are these army olive pants. They look like this. It's just regular straight leg pants, but it's in a size 25. It's a GG crop trouser 9-inch mid-rise. I don't really care for mid-rise. I'd rather go for high-rise, and my size is a 24. So I'm thinking this won't fit, but I really like the style. If I could wear it to work, but I really don't think it's gonna fit me. Okay, next thing. Oh, okay, it's an extra small blazer. Oh, I like this color. It's like a light brown, beige color, and it has these stripes. I love stripes. It's padded. The shoulders are padded, and it feels like pretty thick. So I think it would keep me warm. I think this would fit. I kind of like this actually. I don't know. I like both jackets so far. Next item is this top. I like this color olive, but I'm not a big fan of the style or the print. So can you see the floral and then the style? I'm not really into that. It's an extra small. Um, so yeah, it looks really long too, which is okay, but um, yeah, it's not really my style. I don't usually wear tops like that, and I'm not a fan of the print. Okay, last thing is this long sleeve work shirt. It's just black and white. It has a collar. It's a button down. It's a very thin material. I could layer this well, I think. It's an extra small by Violet and Roses. Sorry, that's my dogs in the background. Okay, so I kind of like this. I'm gonna have to try everything on, but let's look at. Maybe I do a part 2 with a try on. Okay, so let's look at this here. Did it say the prices? It didn't say the prices. It just gives me ways to style it, but it doesn't have any of the prices. How am I supposed to know how much it costs? Does this have a price? This doesn't have a price. Well, when I find out all the prices, I will update you guys. Is it staying here? Oh, here it is. Okay. So, that's my mom coughing, by the way. The green shirt, this one is $40. Not bad at all. Hey, doggies. They play all day. Okay, so this one by Violets and Roses is $48. Not bad also. Let's see. This knit blazer by 41 Hawthorne is $88. Not too bad for a blazer. These pants by STS Blue. These pants are $59. Pretty good price for pants. And then this cargo jacket by Eden Society is $88, which isn't bad either. And then of course we get a credit of $20. The styling fee, you get it back. So if I bought everything, shipping was free. If I bought all of this, it would be $222.25. So that's 5 items for $222.25. You get 25% off if you buy them all. So I think on the next video, I will do a try on and decide what I want to keep and what I want to don't keep, what I want to don't keep, what I don't want to keep. But anyways, thanks for watching.